Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss trigonometric ratios of some angles. Those angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So before going to that, we know sin theta is equal to opposite side to the hypotenuse and cos theta is equal to adjacent side to the hypotenuse side, and tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent. As we know that hypotenuse is the longest side. So, and we moving to the topic. Now, firstly, we will discuss 45 degrees. Here, we are going to learn in easier way these angles with the help of triangles. Firstly, consider a isosceles triangle. I am considering isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to 1 and BC is equal to 1. So, if we consider AB as 1 and BC as 1, by Pythagoras theorem, AC is equal to under root AB square plus BC square. So I get AC is equal to root 2 finally. So here, coming to here, sin 45. Sin 45 is the ratio of opposite to the hypotenuse. Here opposite value is 1 and hypotenuse value is root 2. So I get 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. And then going to cos 45. Cos 45 is the ratio of adjacent to the hypotenuse. So here cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 as it is adjacent to the hypotenuse, and tan 45 gives you opposite to the adjacent, so 1 by 1 which gives you 1. So sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, tan 45 is equal to 1. And moving to here 30 degrees and 40 degrees. Here it is also easier way to remember. Consider a equilateral triangle. I am going to draw a equilateral triangle here. And in equilateral triangle, we know that all angles are equal to 60 degrees. And consider each side as 2. So if I draw an altitude and median, so it divides the base into 2 equal halves, that is it is equal to 1 and it is also 1. So I am naming this triangle A, B, C, D. So here look at the triangle ABD. B is equal to 90 degrees. Here it forms a right angle triangle. So by solving by considering Pythagoras theorem, AB is equal to 1, AD is equal to 2. By solving that, we get BD is equal to root 3. So here BD square is equal to under root AD square minus AB square by Pythagoras theorem. So here under root 2 square minus 1 square is equal to 4 minus 1, which gives you root 3. So BD is equal to root 3, not BD square. Here BD is equal to under root AD square minus AB square, that is equal to BD is equal to root 3 finally by Pythagoras theorem. So I am taking here BD as root 3. So here now firstly we will discuss here when I draw a median to the base. Here the 60 degrees divides into 2 equal halves, where I get here 30 degrees and here also 30 degrees. So consider only one side of triangle. I am considering here. Firstly I will consider 30 degrees. So here right here too. Firstly sin 30. Sin 30 means opposite side to the hypotenuse. So sin 30 which gives you 1 by 2. Cos 30. What is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 means adjacent to the hypotenuse. So root 3 by 2. What about tan 30? Tan 30 means opposite side. Opposite of 30 degrees is 1 and adjacent is root 3. So 1 by root 3. Sin 30 1 by 2. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Tan 30 1 by root 3. So now we will find 60 degrees. For 60 degrees, considering 60 degrees here, sin 60. Sin 60 degrees means opposite is root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. What about cos 60? Cos 60 means adjacent side is 1 So 1 and hypotenuse is 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. What about tan 60? Tan 60 means opposite value is root 3 and adjacent value 1, which gives you root 3. So sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Now we will discuss 0 for 0 here. Firstly, sin 0. What is the value of sin 0? Here sin means I am considering a triangle ABC. Sin 0 means here theta must be 0. So this line falls on the base itself. So here sin 0 means it is AB by sin 0 means it is the opposite side by hypotenuse. So if I consider this triangle, here theta as 0, here opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So if sin theta here if theta is equal to 0, then BC is equal to also 0. So 0 by AC, which gives you 0. So sin 0 is 0. What about cos 0? Here coming to the cos 0. Cos 0 means in this triangle ABC, I get adjacent side AB by hypotenuse side AC. What is the value of AB? Here, if theta is equal to 0, AC falls on AB. So here AC replaces AB as well. So which gives you, therefore AC is equal to AB. Therefore I can write AC as AB. I get AB by AB is equal to 1. So sin 0 is equal to 0 and cos 0 is equal to 1. What about tan 0? So here similarly, tan 0 means, what is the value of tan 0? Here I am writing tan 0. Right? Tan 0 means when I consider this triangle, here what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta means adjacent by opposite by adjacent. So BC by AB. BC by AB. So BC, here when theta is equal to 0, this BC turns as 0, right? So length of BC is 0. That is 0 by AB, which gives you 0 only. So sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1, tan 0, here it is tan 0. Tan 0 is also 0. That's it. Now moving to the 90 degrees. So what about 90 degrees? Firstly, same, consider the right angle triangle. Here, for example, here it is a theta. Firstly, sin 90. What about sin 90? Here if I name this triangle as ABC, sin 90 means here theta is equal to 90. So it turns sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. So if theta is equal to 90, then here the line is like this. So here if theta is equal to 90 degrees, theta is equal to 90 degrees, here BC, here this is AC and BC. BC and AC must be in same line. So I am taking BC by AC also. I am considering AC is equal to BC here because the two lines are coincides. So here BC by BC, which gives you 1. What about cos 90? Cos 90. And by the definition, cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So here, if AB, here if I consider this theta, here BC and AB. So here, this BC line, if it must be, if theta is equal to 90 degrees, here this AC and AB, this is also must be coincide the AC. So here theta, nothing but this AB, when the AB coming to this side and here it makes the length 0, then only 90 degrees forms. So AC is 0 degree.